If you want to manage your risk like a pro and avoid emotional trading, then using automatic stop loss and take profit is very important. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to set auto stop loss and take profit on Tradingview in a simple and beginner-friendly way. First, you need to understand one important thing. Tradingview itself is mainly a charting and analysis platform. You can only place real trades with stop loss and take profit if your broker is connected to Tradingview. If your broker supports Tradingview integration, you can trade directly from the chart. If not, you'll use Tradingview for analysis and place trades on your broker separately. Now, let's go step by step. Open Tradingview and log in to your account. Then, open the chart of the asset you want to trade. At the bottom or side of the screen, you'll see the Trading panel. Click on it and connect your broker if it's supported. Once your broker is connected, you can place a trade directly from the chart. Right-click anywhere on the chart and select Trade or Create New Order. A trade panel will open where you can enter your order details like quantity and order type. Now, to set auto stop loss and take profit, look for the options labeled Stop Loss and Take Profit in the order panel. Simply enable them and enter your desired price levels. For example, you can set a stop loss below your entry price to limit losses and a take profit above your entry price to lock in profits. Another easier method is using the Long Position or Short Position tool from the left toolbar. Select the tool and draw it on the chart. This will automatically create a box showing your entry, stop loss, and take profit levels. You can drag the levels up or down to adjust them visually. This is one of the easiest ways for beginners to understand risk and reward. Once everything is set, confirm your order. Your stop loss and take profit will now be placed automatically, and the trade will close when either level is hit. If your broker is not connected, you can still use the position tool for planning, then manually place the same levels in your broker's platform. So, in simple words, to set auto stop loss and take profit in Tradingview, connect your broker, open the trade panel, set SL and TP levels, and place your order. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple trading tutorials. See you in the next video.